It's Arlen here with Prestige Trailers. Today we're going to take you on a walk around of the Brilliance series trailers you see behind me. The Brilliance series that we're going to be talking about today comes in a variety of different configurations. We'll talk about some of the standard features as well as the optional features. The trailer you see today is a 53-foot Tridem trailer. We do offer that as well as another standard length of 48 feet. It also does come in a fixed tandem configuration with different axle spacings depending on the jurisdiction that you're using the trailer in. We do have a couple of different side rail options. The unit we're looking at today has a 6-inch aluminum side rail that we do have the chain pullouts mounted into with the fixed winches, as I mentioned, with a broken rub rail. We can go to a sliding winch, and we do have another side rail option that allows you the integrated track. The design of the trailer is unique in the fact that we have a 3-piece rail constructed. We have a top extrusion that actually has the cross members run through it. The web is fastened, huck bolted to the top and bottom flange, and that's what ties the main rail together. The other thing you'll notice on the trailer today is there's 3 inches of camber on 53 feet, so it's a nice flat loading trailer. You don't have a big high arch that you have to use a lot of dunnage to level off that load. A well-constructed heavy-duty trailer. This particular customer has chosen to go with a 2-foot on center tie down, so that means the winches on this side are spaced at 4 feet with a J-hook opposite a winch on the other side. We break the rub rail where the straps will come through as well. You'll see the chain pullouts that are put in every 4 feet. That is an option as well, and very popular in this side rail option. It gives you several different tie-down points. While we're looking at the rail, you'll notice there's also aluminum tarp hooks mounted or welded to the bottom of the side rail as well to give you those spots to loop your tarp ropes. As we look here on the floor, there is one flooring option available, and that's a 1 1/8 aluminum floor with different nailer strips available. This one you'll see today has 4 nailers, hardwood nailer strips mounted into it. You can also get a 3 nailers option as well. Unique to this trailer is the floor, not only in the fact that it's aluminum, it's the way it's fastened. It's not a screwed floor. It's not screwed down to the cross members. It's actually an interlocking floor. We do have a track where every board actually ties in together, and all we do is fasten a rivet down to hold this floor together. The floor actually becomes structural and gives you added stiffness into the side rail of the trailer. There's no screws in the floor other than some rivets holding the floorboards together. All of our lighting harnesses are built by Truck Light, and we do have several different lighting options depending on the individual needs of your customer. The unit we have here today has got our option B light package. You'll notice there's a series of 5 lights down each side rail, giving you some extra visibility from the side of the trailer. In addition, another optional feature is this pull-out light as well. Should your load be a little wider, you want a little more visibility, you can pull this light out to whatever location you need to be visible for those people coming on from the front or the back as well. When it's not in use, it'll slide back into this little saddle here and is protected by this box from any debris that might be flying from your tires. This unit directly behind the light, we do have the air box. There's 2 locations that you can choose to mount your air box. This individual customer had asked the air box to be mounted right beside the landing gear. There is the option of mounting it near the back of the trailer as well. In addition, we do offer several different box options. There is an option of a window and a light in the box as well, so you don't have to open the box to check your gauge. Everything inside of the box is the same. We do have the strobe light switch in the box as well, should you want to activate your strobe lights in the rear bolster. Your dump valve is also in this box, as well as your air gauge to indicate the weight that's on your air system. When it's not being used, you close it up. It's a weatherproof box. Keeps everything nice and dry in there. Directly behind the box, we have the Yoast landing gear. Landing gear that we're using here is also all aluminum in construction, as are the side braces. It's a great landing gear that works well in all different kinds of weather. Directly behind the landing gear, you do have the option of adding some chain hangers. Should that be something you require, they just bolt right into the frame. You can have them on either side of the trailer. The other option is the option of toolboxes. We have several different toolbox options. Most commonly used on the flatbed trailer is either a 60-inch box that's 30 inches deep. You do have the option of 48-inch box as well, should you require a little less space. Directly behind the box, we do have a 9-foot dunnage, so it gives you lots of space to throw in that 8-foot dunnage. You don't have to squeeze it into a very tight basket. Cross-member spacing that's common, a 12-inch cross-member spacing. There is an option of putting a coil package between the main beam. We do have several different suspension packages available or offered by Hendrickson. We do have 2 different axle ends, wheel ends. It's called a P spindle or an N spindle, as well as a grease-filled package or an oil-filled wheel end. The oil-filled wheel end has a manufacturer's warranty of 1 year. We also do offer a semi-fluid option as well that gives you a 2-year warranty. The unit we're looking at today is an oil-filled package, and it also does offer the Hendrickson Tire Max Pro. It's a great system for monitoring your tire inflation. Not only does it cover the inflation, it also deflates should the tires overinflate as they get used. It's something to optimize your tire life as well as ensure that all your tires are evenly inflated as you're going along the road. And should you encounter a small leak, your truck compressor will engage and keep that tire inflated until you're able to have it repaired. There's a small indicator light in the front bolster that will also light up just to alert you that there could be a possible leak. Another option that we do offer is a disc brake package. We do have a wide variety of tire options available as well. Most commonly offered is a Michelin branded tire. We do offer the BF Goodrich, as well as there is a Bridgestone and Continental option available. And you'll see the wheels, the aluminum wheels in this trailer. Alcoa provided aluminum wheels. There is an option of a steel wheel. Something else on the Prestige Brilliance trailer that you'll notice is the rear bolster. We do have a lighting package, 3 large 4-inch lights on either side, as well as 3 ID lights in the center. You do have the option of mounting a strobe light in the back bolster as well. Something to note that we've been asked for and we've offered as a standard on all of the Brilliance series trailers is the fact that we do have a bolt-on bumper. So should you back into a loading dock, bend a bumper or hook onto something, very simply removed, and you can order a replacement aluminum bumper from us and just bolt it into place, and it looks like nothing ever happened. Talking about load securement, we've been talking about our winches and our J-hooks. They're all rated to make sure that they stand up to a force of 5,000 pounds. We do have a decal on either side of the front bolster of the trailer that tells you what each of those load ratings is. And we're often asked is, what can my trailer carry on 10 feet or 20 feet? What's the load rating? And we do have a beam rating. It's a decal you'll find directly below or beside the serial number plate, and it'll give you the length of the trailer, so you can reference the length that you use, as well as the weight on let's say 4 feet, 10 feet, 20 feet, or the length of the trailer. It's a quick reference. You don't have to call anyone. You just have a quick look under the trailer and you'll be able to tell what you can load that trailer for. I'd like to thank you for joining us today on this walk around on the Brilliance series trailers. We do have more information available on our website. Should you want to find where the nearest dealer is, please visit our websites and you will get that information as well. Thank you.